Octopuses have 3 hearts, a mind-blowing feature that sets them apart in the animal kingdom. 2 of these hearts are dedicated to pumping blood through the gills, ensuring the octopus gets the oxygen it needs to thrive underwater. Meanwhile, the 3rd heart takes on the crucial role of sending this oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body, allowing these intelligent sea creatures to navigate their complex environments with ease. This unique circulatory system not only supports the octopus's survival in the depths of the ocean but also offers a fascinating glimpse into the concept of distributed living, where multiple systems work together seamlessly yet independently. Imagine a life where your very essence relies on a trio of hearts in perfect harmony, each with its own distinct mission, crafting a symphony of survival under the sea.